everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, which mission did Kalpana Chawla first fly to space on? Option A, STS-107, Option B, Apollo 11, Option C, Space Shuttle Columbia, Option D, Space Shuttle Atlantis. The correct answer is Option C, Space Shuttle Columbia. In 1997, Kalpana Chawla got her maiden chance to fly to space on Space Shuttle Columbia, wherein she was appointed as the mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator for the mission. Next question is, how long were NASA astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore in space? Option A, 6 months. Option B, 9 months. Option C, 12 months. Option D, 8 months. The correct answer is option B, 9 months. The two astronauts have been in space for more than 9 months, as their Boeing Starliner rocket faced propulsion issues. Next question is, where are the Mudumal Megalithic Menhirs located? Option A, Gujarat. Option B, Telangana. Option C, Madhya Pradesh. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option B, Telangana. The Mudumal Megalithic Menhirs, or standing stones in Telangana's Narayanpet district, dating back approximately 3,500 to 4,000 years, have been added to a tentative list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites from India. Next question is, how long did Vispy Kharadi hold the Hercules pillars to set the record? Option A, 1 minute, 30 seconds. Option B, 2 minutes, 5 seconds. Option C, 2 minutes, 10.75 seconds. Option D, 3 minutes, 15 seconds. The correct answer is option C, 2 minutes, 10.75 seconds. The record-breaking feat took place in Surat, Gujarat, where Kharadi demonstrated his exceptional strength by holding the massive pillars for an astonishing 2 minutes and 10.75 seconds. Next question is, what is the amount of the cash prize awarded with the 2025 Holberg Prize? Option A, $1 lakh. Option B, $2,50,000. Option C, $5,40,000. Option D, $10 lakh. The correct answer is option C, $5,40,000. Recently, 𝗕ciecie𝗂𝗍𝘀, celebrated literary critic and post-colonial scholar, has won the 2025 Holberg Prize. The prize carries a $5,40,000 cash prize. Next question is, what is the name of the campaign launched by DOT and WhatsApp to fight online scams and spam? Option A, 𝗕ciecie𝗂𝗀𝘀𝗧. Option B, Digital Safety Initiative. Option C, Anti-Scam Awareness. Option D, Scam Free India. The correct answer is option A, 𝗕ciecie𝗂𝗀𝘀. The Department of Telecommunications, DOT, collaborated with WhatsApp to extend 𝗕ciecie𝗂𝗀𝘀, Meta's safety campaign against online scams and spam. Next question is, what strain of bird flu was reported for the first time in the US since 2017? Option A, H5N1. Option B, H7N9. Option C, H3N2. Option D, H1N1. The correct answer is option B, H7N9. The United States reported the first outbreak of the deadly H7N9 bird flu on a poultry farm since 2017. Next question is, what ancient civilization had strong trade links with Sharjah during the Bronze Age? Option A, the Egyptians. Option B, the Mesopotamians. Option C, the Greeks. Option D, the Indus Valley Civilization. The correct answer is option D, the Indus Valley Civilization. During the Bronze Age, Sharjah shared similarities in material culture with Mesopotamia and the Indus Valley, indicating strong trade links. Next question is, what is the new income limit for families seeking admission under the Right to Education (RTE) Act in Gujarat? Option A, 1,50,000 rupees per annum. Option B, 6 lakh rupees per annum. Option C, 1,20,000 rupees per annum. Option D, 5 lakh rupees per annum. The correct answer is option B, 6 lakh rupees per annum. The Gujarat government has announced a substantial increase in the income limit for families seeking admission under the Right to Education (RTE) Act. Effective immediately, the income threshold has been raised to 6 lakh rupees per annum. Last question is, what is the total length of the India-Myanmar border that will be fenced in the next 10 years? Option A, 1,610 kilometers. Option B, 1,643 kilometers. Option C, 1,467 kilometers. Option D, 1,200 kilometers. The correct answer is option B, 1,643 kilometers. The 1,643 kilometer long border with Myanmar will be entirely ringed with an anti-cut, anti-climb fence in the next 10 years. Now it's time for practice question. What is the theme of the 10th edition of the 𝗖𝗨 Dialogue 2025? Option A, Global Security and Future Challenges. Option B, Kalchakra, Wheel of Time. Option C, Building Stronger Global Alliances. Or Option D, Securing the Indo-Pacific Region. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.